Luna. Is that book about the moon?
Aroo.
Ooh, is that what the dogs say? Ooh.
Moon. Doggy moon.
Doggy moon, that's right, when they howl at the moon.
Aroo.
Ooh.
She got a baby.
How many are there?
Two.
Uno,
Two.
dos,
Tres.
tres,
Cuatro.
cuatro,
Cinco.
cinco,
Seis.
seis. Then what? Siete.
Nueve.
No, ocho.
Nueve.
Nueve.
Diez.
10. Yay!
Lapis.
More please what?
Lapis.
Okay. Clara, how do you spell your name? How do you spell it? C-L-A. What comes next? R? R-A. That's right. Yay, good job. You trying to take the sticker out? Is that a book about a pig? What does the pig say? What does the pig say?
A book.
Oink, oink.
Daddy.
Y'all done already? Niño, niñas? Where? Oh, in that book. Do you want me to help you?
Happy you.
Help you. Are you my sweetheart?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Happy you.
Help you?
Please. Good cook.
With the truck? Okay, I'll come help you.